Hello, everyone, and welcome to Panda Talks Football, and welcome to another episode of Barcelona's News Roundup. But before I start this video, kindly hit that like and the subscribe button and help me reach the 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. So, I just saw this report on the front cover of Mundo Deportivo today, which shows that Ferran Torres has reached 50 goals for Barca, surpassing Thierry Henry, who scored 49. Now, this report seems impressive, but we also have to take into account the total games played by the both players. Ferran Torres scored these goals in the 170 matches. Thierry Henry scored it in 50 less games in 121 matches. Now, no disrespect to Ferran Torres' achievement, but I think we gotta pay respect to some of the football greats like Thierry Henry. Next, I've got a slightly encouraging news for everybody that some of the players of Barcelona's first team are very near to return to the squad. Andreas Christensen just returned to the training and he will be available for the match against Club Brugge. While on the other side, La Liga's best goalkeeper, Joan Garcia, has also returned to the training. Just after international break, he would be back in Barcelona's squad. Next, we gotta talk about the FIF Pro ranking released by FIFA today. Even though I'm happy about the inclusion of Pedri and Yamal, it looks highly disrespectful that they have again robbed Rafinha of his place in this team. 38 goals, 23 assists, 61 GA in 64 games, La Liga Player of the Season, and yet they didn't include him in the FIF Pro. Now I do understand Kylian Mbappe won the Golden Boot last year, but I think Rafinha deserved the place over him. And in all honesty, I wasn't gonna lose my head if they had included Rafinha instead of Yamal in this lineup. But ignoring Rafinha just because he has a weak PR, it just shows us how biased the awards of FIFA have become in today's world of social media. But anyways, all we can say at the moment is justice for Rafinha. And now let's come towards the most important news of the day. The notorious reporter who gets humiliated in his own show every day decided to be a center of attention by visiting the owner of Saudi Pro League right at his home. And even though the interview is scheduled to be released tomorrow, the most important thing has already been leaked out of it. Piers Morgan asks, Rooney says Messi is better than you. What do you think? Cristiano replies, Messi is better than me. I do not agree with that opinion. I don't want to be humble. Alright, Ronaldo, you can think whatever you want, but the world knows who's the real GOAT. The man has more Ballon d'Ors than you. The man has more significant international trophies than you. The man has more golden boots than you. And honestly, Ronaldo should actually ignore these kind of questions. He should be proud of his own career rather than being jealous of one football player who is better than him in the whole world. Comparison is a thief of joy, and maybe Ronaldo has made that his obsession, which makes him give countless ridiculous statements almost every week. This is all we know right now. God forbid, what else would we learn after his whole interviews? Anyways, I hope you liked the video. Kindly press the subscribe button